preferred choice for nail tech and lash tech, tattoo studios, and hair salons. Filled with high resilience sponge, the rolling chair seat offers superior cushioning that molds your body contours, ensuring comfort during prolonged use, ideal for home office, bedroom furniture, and studio settings. Customize your back support with the removable desk stool with wheels to correct your sitting posture. This feature is specifically beneficial for individuals who sit for extended periods, such as teachers, makeup artists, estheticians, and hairstylists. Adapt a tall desk chair to meet your specific needs with an adjustable seat height ranging from 20 to 27.56 inches and a height adjustable footrest, adding to its many functionality suitable for adults, kids, short people, or heavy people. Equipped with 5 high-quality silent casters mounted on a robust aluminum alloy base, this lift chair moves smoothly and quietly without damaging the floor, ideal for use as a garage stool, work stool, shop stool, or salon stool.